go to school and concentrate, so that the same image we give you today is the same image you carry while in the institution. One always aware when one Agago wachamu kalara wamezo kinyige. If you cannot sing, you cannot qualify. So as a district, I am proud today that I have all these heads for my district and that they are fighting for an equal chance. Please, when you get it, may God bless you. So for me, I want to wish you good luck and that when chances go your way.
Come on.
Dollar. They are just hold. We shall tell you to open.
Okay, what now is? Rajon Daniel. Open what innocent.
Now, cái quan nó đọc đến được chung này. No, I want to record it because when we don't get check, no one will be quiet because start study. When so go long way, a check more we don't go. The women made because of the way last chance.
We shall open one by one.
Ya kache la chela ba ba ko tin ya.
Again, what? Again,
Now do put pepper no me bora.
no, yeah.
Yeah, chop.
Zero.
You tie it up and put it here. Yeah, chop it there.
Wow.
You have one last chance. You have one last chance. Thank you. Thank you so much. I think you can now go. Empty, eh?
Number 2, ready. Favor, borrow.
You still have another chance, don't worry.
Aquino Angela. Aquino Eunice. Rupanga Kenneth Paul Deacon.
Here. Jangan lupa nanti orang.
Hakim Oliver.
You want one over?
Jangan kayak gue ya. Nó lẹ rồi nó rồi.
Saya Fika. Hello.
Dale, dale.
Joseph Kegan.
But he needs something to drink.
You get some water in my water.
You should first go down. Stay down.
Congratulations. Let's clap for him.
Starting with medicine first. We have John Walter from Walker from Agago West. Number 2, Odoki Michael, Agago County. Number 3, Anua Daniel Kombone, Agago North. Number 4, medicine, Akulu Evelyn Oriem from Agago County. Engineering, we have the following one: Ogwara Joseph Kegan. This is from Agago West. 2, Otin Geoffrey, Agago North. Oyo Stephen, Agago County. Education Department, of course. Atido Bosco from Agago County. Hotel Samuel from Agago North. Head Agriculture. We have 2 people. 1, Ogwang Ronald from Agago West. Then 2, Odong Joseph, also from Agago West. So Chair, these are the following people who went through. Thank you so much.